Attention to the Treasure Valley area and all the members of the community. This is a public service announcement to alert the area of a foodborne illness. Giardia affects the intestines of humans and animals, and the symptoms are nausea, stomach and abdominal pain, violent diarrhea, and weight loss. A person may become sick when they come in contact with food that may have been contaminated by feces of an infected animal or person. The affected person will feel symptoms of Giardia within 2 days after contact with the contaminated food. Typically, diarrhea will last for 2 to 4 days as the body attempts to push the infection out. In severe cases without treatment, Giardia has been documented to last 2 to 6 weeks in the body. The Centers for Disease and Prevention have located and tracked the source of the infection to several restaurants in the valley and urge people to avoid these places until the infection has subsided.
Giardia attacks the digestive system of animals and, more importantly for this case, an outbreak of humans. Risks for the infection are dehydration and nutritional loss. There is also the risk of spreading Giardia at daycares, restaurants, and those who drink unfiltered water. For this reason, the Centers for Disease Control and Prevention is asking the members of the community to follow some simple and basic safety factors.
There are common safety factors that can protect you and your family from this infection. This is simple. Wash your hands. Wash your hands before and during and after preparation of food. Wash your hands before eating. Wash your hands before caring for someone who is sick. Wash your hands before and after treating a cut or a wound. Wash your hands after using the toilet. Wash your hands after changing diapers or cleaning up a child who has used the toilet. Wash your hands after blowing your nose, coughing, or sneezing.
Wash your hands after touching an animal or animal waste. Wash your hands after handling pet food or pet treats. Wash your hands after touching garbage. When around animals, avoid contact with feces, and yet again, wash your hands. Idaho is known for agriculture, farming, and raising livestock. This of lifestyle is potential public health implications of Giardia. There are strategies aimed at preventing food contamination, but the number one way to prevent such contamination is washing your hands.
With today's technology, scientists and research have discovered new ways to combat infections like Giardia. There is more information on Giardia and the dangers of this infection that can be found at the Centers for Disease Control and Prevention's website at www.cdc.gov. When conducting personal research on ways to protect your family from Giardia, remember where your sources are. It is very important to trust the information that could help you and your family avoid Giardia and other infections. Accurate and appropriate sources can be used to gain the knowledge to prevent you from being affected by Giardia. Contact a physician if you feel that a child or an elderly person has contracted Giardia. In the event that you feel an animal that you own may have contracted Giardia, contact a veterinarian. Avoid contact with the animal species and remember to wash your hands. In 2010, there were 19,888 cases of Giardia throughout the United States. A very large number case reports were children ranging from ages 1 to 9. This is a very important issue that can affect you and your family and even harm children. At all costs, remember to wash your hands and protect your family and keep them safe. Back to the weather.